Google is announcing it's offering its users a new service. Call it life after death. Online life after real life death, I suppose. The newest tool is called the Interactive Account Manager, and it lets users create a virtual will for their Gmail and for their other social media accounts. If you don't sign in for a set amount of time, your data can be automatically deleted, or it can be passed on to a friend or family member. So Kevin O'Leary, our business commentator and the chair of O'Leary Funds, is in New York this morning. But we know that Kevin always keeps an eye on the latest tech trends, so he's a natural to ask this one of. Seems that we live cradle to grave online now, Kevin. Is this an idea whose time has come?
Absolutely. It makes total sense. I think at the end of the day, look at it this way, Heather. You asked me about money. And I actually think that there's a reason that Google's been motivated to do this. It's the litigation occurring on Facebook. At any one time, there are 500 to 600,000 dead guys on Facebook. Some small percentages, their families have started to litigate to get access to the digital data. And that gets expensive and it's a nuisance. So rather than debate that, why not let the user decide what happens to their data? I think it's a brilliant strategy. It makes total sense. And of course, why shouldn't you have a virtual memorial to yourself? You can prepare for it during your life. What do you want people to know about you after Snuff City?
Snuff City. Nice. Listen, but you know, you're quite right. I mean, people really basically all that exists right now is you can report that somebody has died, but the user typically cannot decide what happens with his or her account. So if you like the idea, would you use it?
I am. In fact, now that I know Google Plus has it, this incentivized me to actually start using Google Plus because I've been really using Twitter, for example, is my main social media because it's fast and easy. I've dumped Facebook. I don't have enough time for it, but there's a whole ton of data sitting there. I use it sort of more corporately. But now that I've started to look at some of the features of Google Plus, it melds in seamlessly to the Google platform that I do use. I use Google Mail. I use Google Contacts, Google Calendar. I like this feature. It's a little morbid, and it brings you back to, mortality issues. But at the same time, I've been looking at some of the photo features. I can post videos. Heather, maybe you'll be doing morning hits with me after I'm gone. You'll just log into my Google Plus space.
I was going to say, you're already world media dominance, Kevin, in life, and on it can continue after life as well. Oh, my. The possibilities are endless for you. Listen, thanks, Kevin. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you on Monday. Kevin O'Leary, our business commentator, the chair of O'Leary Funds.